show you step by step how to lock a video on Google Drive not to be downloaded. After you open the Google Drive like this, so you click on this new, so file upload. So now upload the video you want to use. So I'll upload this video. Open. After you upload the video, so now the video will start uploading. After the video finish uploading like this one, so now you just click on this my drive again to refresh. So scroll to down. Now here is the video. So the first thing you should do, right click on the video, go to share, and then go to share again. So from this option you click on this restricted, go to this anyone with the link. So now you click on this viewer and make sure you select this viewer. So you click on this settings. So now uncheck this editor. So after you uncheck the editor and the commenter, so now you go back. So now you click on this done button. So from there, now you right click again, go to share, copy link. After you copy the link of the video, so now if you share the video link to someone, the video can only open but cannot be downloaded. Let me show you how it works. I'll click on this three dot, go to this incognito. So now I'll paste in the link. After I paste in the link, I'll just press enter. So now whoever now open the link, so the video will, as you can see here is now the video, but the video cannot be downloaded. The person can only view the video, but the video cannot be downloaded. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe.